all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige, and this week our craft is of course Halloween themed. I promised an extra special Halloween costume craft for you guys, and this week we're going to be making a beautiful headdress using only items that I got from Dollar Tree. It's pretty simple, very minimal supplies, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you're interested in seeing how it looks, please continue watching. The only items you need for this craft are a headband, just a plain headband. I have zip ties. You could get varying sizes if you want to. Mine are all the same. And fake flowers. That's it. You really doesn't matter what kind of fake flowers you use. I have a variety over here, but the main things you want are your headband and zip ties. This is what we're going to be using for a majority of our crown. I'm going to just take a zip tie, wrap it around. Why not start in the middle first? And I'm going to tighten it so you can kind of see. So the knot, the like fastener part, is on the back. If you are to tighten it with the fasteners underneath, it's gonna poke your poor little head. So we want to make sure that we've got the fastener on either the front or the back. You could even try, if you really want to do it directly on top, but I think this looks nicer. I'm gonna make sure I have it nice and centered and tightened as much as I can. From here, I'm just gonna keep adding zip ties. With this as my center point, I'm gonna work down both sides until I feel like I have a big enough crown. I believe these are all the zip ties I want. And now you can either leave the shape like this, just kind of fanning out. I am gonna go and this is my middle point here, so I'm gonna kind of make it so it's a little spiky, kind of like sun rays. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight. I also, if you can see on here, I did some with the zip tie clasp on the front and some on the back. I just thought this was a nice variety, and so I might do something different on the front ones that I do the back. I'm not entirely sure. Let's just kind of start snipping away. I think that is very cool. It looks like sun rays. This is so exciting. I am now going to, with a combination of hot glue and some of these flowers come on wires, I'm going to place some flowers within the crown. This is where you need to decide which side is front and which side is back, so that you can kind of glue them facing in the right direction. It really doesn't matter. Once everything is placed on the crown, we're gonna spray paint it all nice and solid color anyways. All right, so I ended up painting my headdress black. Actually, what I did was I used an oil-based gold pen and I colored the tips of all of my zip ties gold, and then I sprayed the rest of it black, and I kind of misted very gently around where the gold transitioned, so it kind of fades. You guys, this headdress turned out so cool. It is obviously more of a dark kind of gothic vibe since I did black and gold, but I'm gonna put it on for you guys. Here is the back. I didn't do a whole lot. I have minimal leaves around. It's a little bit simple, but here's the front. It's very hard for me to try to fit it in frame, but you guys, it's so gorgeous. I love the giant black sunflower in the center. I feel like I'm gonna have to do something to actually wear this. Obviously, I'm filming before Halloween, but you might catch me out and about wearing this on Halloween because it's so cute and it's just on a headband. This was so simple and easy to make, and even for a child's costume or just a really quick and easy DIY, this is so cool. So here are some better shots of this headpiece out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this special Halloween craft. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I typically post craft videos most Fridays. I also have links for all of my social media and a list of all the materials I used in this week's video down in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one.